Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C75x with nature power design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole, mini. Capsule 3.0 display, resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.97% screen to body. Ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 625 nits high brightness mode, 120 Hz refresh rate, and armor shell glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single AI camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide angle main camera with aperture 1.8. For selfies it has 5 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle. Front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 6.0 screen on top of the device, under the hood. The phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra, 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 16GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.69 by 76.22 by 7.99 mm, and it weights around 196 grams, and the color options, oceanic blue, coral pink colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5600 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with monospeaker, 400% Ultra Boom volume support, USB Type-C charging port, AI Smart Experience, AI Clear Face, AI Smart Loop, Google Gemini, Circle to Search, IP66, IP68, IP69 dust-tight and water-resistant, and military-grade shock resistance support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C75x has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 599 Malaysian ringgits. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Realme C75x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.